What's up guys? Welcome to Shoot First. Ako pala yung mag-ano. Kasi usually si Abby sa ating dalawa
Oo
eh.
nga, wala si Javi.
Oo,
Kaya
nakaka-tropa pero.
hindi mo alam sino magsisimula nung ano
Oo nga
no?
eh.
Hindi mo
Hinihintay
alam
kasi ko
sino
nito eh. Kaya kung
magsisimula.
gano'n siya eh. Kala ko siya yung
Oo,
mag-intro.
ganyan, opening ko lagi. Yan. Peace sign yan, peace
Anyway,
sign.
welcome to Shoot First. Iko Roch here with Donito Gregorio. And Juanits, magkasama tayo kanina sa Gameville Ballpark to watch the NA All-Star
Gameville,
Game.
yes,
Thank you,
shout out.
Signal. Thank
Shout
you,
out
Signal.
Gameville. Thank you, Signal. Hindi ano to ha, nagpapasalamat dahil nag-invite sila na manood ng
Yeah, yeah.
NBA All-Star. Hindi to endorsed. Nangatil lang kami ni Nico dahil kanina nanonood kami ng All-Star at dami naming inputs. Sabi natin, ba't di tayo mag-episode tonight? Naya namin si Javi, but date night muna si Javi with his mom. So, tita, hello.
Hello, Tito. Kung
At
nanonood ka man.
tita,
Kung manonood ka man.
diba? Shoutout na rin natin lahat. Si Gio, wala. Si Mikey, baka nagpapapawis yan. Si Baileys, tulog na yan.
And I'm surprised
Magpapatangkad.
wala ka dun sa papawis. Usually, hindi sumasama ka sa mga papatangkat. Usually, di ba magkasama kayo sa papawis pag Mondays? Or,
Hindi. Wednesdays, Thursdays kami yan magkasama ni Mikey. Depende sa tawagan. But wala pa, hindi pa ako, feeling ko hindi ko pa kaya sumabay sa papawis eh. So, in a few days probably.
parang di ka magkasakit, bro. Imagine mo, sobrang lamig, tapos biglang sobrang init ulit.
Wild bro, -8 degrees yung inabot
Sama,
ko. I've never
sama nun.
experienced -8 degrees in my life. First time sa Japan. So, adjust yung aircon ko ngayon. Parang wala nang kwenta. Na sobrang lamig pala sa Japan. So, I just
Na,
got home
na-miss
sa
mo
mga
yung
hindi
init?
nakakalam.
Na-miss mo yung init? Ako na-miss ko yung
In a
init when I
way,
came
in a
back.
way, in a way, in a way, dahil can't move eh. Enjoy
Diba?
lang yung snow on the first day.
Then
But
after,
after 2 to 3 days, hassle na siya eh. Hassle na siya, hindi ka makagalaw. Yung ano mo lahat nanginginig, yung lips mo hindi ka makasalita.
yung nagcha-chop.
Tapos nagcha-chop. Tapos yung roads lagi madulas.
Ah,
So ang
slippery because of the ice.
maximum speed namin would be about 30 to 40. So lalong hassle lang pala yung snow. Pero at least na-experience ko yung snow for the first time in my life.
Oh. Ako to ay following your story. So, okay, solid to. Pero nakita ko -8, sabi ko, okay, parang ayoko nga pumunta ng ganitong time. February is ano, di ba? Ito yung cold season.
Winter.
Oo.
Yes. Message si Mikey. Pinakita ko yung attire ko. -8 degrees, guys. Ang suot ko lang, long sleeves na Uniqlo, tapos bomber jacket. Sabi
Gagi,
sa akin,
kulang yun.
Mikey,
Kailangan mo ng ano.
tanga ka pala eh. Sabi sa akin, tanga ka pala eh.
Wala ka no parang puffer na jacket. Yung, ano talaga, yung
Wala
long,
bro, wala.
wala. Oh,
Kasi
shit.
I'd never, kumbaga hindi ko alam kung gaano kalamig ang winter eh. Kumbaga sabi ko ba, ako, kaya ko tiisin yung lamig ng Baguio, ng
Oo,
mga
yun.
ganyan.
Oo.
Pucha pare, pagbukas pa lang nung gate,
If,
sabi ko, patay tayo dito. Napabili ako ng heat tech. Pero sabi ko kasi parang feeling ko useless if bibili pa ako ng puffers. So pinagbibili ko lang heat tech. I'd wear about 2 jackets. Meron ako mga ganito. Dami kong, I don't know kung napapansin nyo sa mga podcast namin, pero iba-iba yung, ano ko lagi, yung hoodie ko lagi. So, yun, dami ko lang hoodies. Meron lang ako heat tech sa loob, hoodie. Tapos, mga iba-ibang jacket. Pero tiniis ko lang pare, tiniis ko lang. Pero solid. Solid. This time of the year, I think everybody deserves to experience winter at least once in their life. And ako, I'm done. Check box.
mas ready ka
Tapos
na
na
next
ako.
time. Mas ready ka na next time.
Yes. So that's we just came from a 10-day training camp ng Signal. Pero kaya kami nandito kasi sa 10 days na yun, bro, walang basketball. That's all
Talagang pure
volleyball.
volley.
I mean,
Mm.
that's all pure volleyball. So, alam mo yun, nangati ako eh. Nangati ako sa, and then right when we got home, I got a text, bro, daan ka Gameville, no? Tayo all-star. Sabi ko, shit, perfect. Tara, punta ako dyan.
Sakto talaga
So, yun,
timing.
nandun kami kanina. Nandun kami kanina.
Mm.
Pero sige,
Eh,
simulan natin, bro. Simulan
mm.
natin. I think this is the topic I wanted to talk about. Dami kong inputs eh. Dahil sa iba-iba yung feelings nila. Let's start with Mac McClung.
Yun. So, okay,
Mac
makbak lang.
McClung, third straight, uh, third straight champion, tama ba? Third, ano yan?
Third, third,
Third,
third straight slam dunk championship niya.
right? So, he's had 3 championships, pero yung NBA dunks niya, 2 pa lang in total. game dunks niya, 2 pa lang. So, mas marami na siyang championship kaysa game dunks. Ikaw, bro. I mean, I don't know if you're a fan of the dunk contest. Ako, I've always been watching it every year.
Puro, every year yun naman.
What do you think is the ano of Macbak lang? Personal, ano mo, personal, I mean, what do you think of the Macbak lang dunks this year?
Di gusto ko kasi kay Mac McClung. Actually, wild yung car talaga. At yung
Oh, bro, I mean,
variation ng kay Aaron Gordon, yung may
all right.
umiikot na
Wild
ano.
yun. Wild yun,
Wild
pare.
talaga
Wild
yun.
yung car. Wild yung car. That's a way to start. Sa ang ganda pa nung, anong galing pa nung, yung broadcaster. Yung, di ba, yung, let me introduce myself. My name is
Actually,
Mac. So that's the way. That's the
maganda
way
yung
to
ano nila.
start.
Parang WWE intro. Ganun yung mga style nila
Oo.
this year, no? Di ba pati
Totoo.
yung All-Star game, pero mamaya na yung All-Star game. Kasi medyo ba, hindi tayo masyado makapag-share ng comment screen na kasi it's a watch party. Mahirap maging tayo yung party
Oo, oo,
pooper doon
tama,
na
tama,
parang
tama.
nagre-reklamo ba?
Minsan gusto ko yung pag may same tayo ng sentiments. Smile lang, tiginan,
Ganun lang.
smile.
Or kakain doon ng ano pagkain. Uy, okay ba?
Oo,
Kain na.
tama, tama. Kuha mo ng fries, kuha mo ng calamares. Di ba?
Pero Mac
Pero yun,
McClung,
kay Mac.
bro,
Go.
I really like how he really tries. 'Di ba? There's some players na
Yeah.
nandun lang kasi, tawag ako, kailangan ko mag-participate. Mga bata pa, 'di ba? Or sometimes they're just limited by their creativity. Kala nila na sometimes power is enough. Pero kay Mac lang talaga dun siya bumabawi. I mean, sa NBA, not a consistent player in and out of the G League. Pero na-enjoy ko siya this year kahit paano. Iba pa rin yung ano walang tatalo sa Aaron Gordon, Zach LaVine. I think that was 9 years ago.
Iba, iba,
Iba yun
iba.
eh.
Yeah, true. True.
Pero I hope na inspire, 'di ba parang
Same
may tweet si Ja?
sentiments.
May
Same
tweet si Ja,
sentiments.
'di ba? Same sentiments. Tapos may tweet si Ja na it might make me come. Pero ilan dami ng players na ganyan na ginaganahan during the weekend. Next thing you know, they back out for next year. But pati Giannis, 'di ba? Giannis, Zach LaVine, and Ja, silang tatlo yung parang nag-usap na they might come back. So hopefully it starts a movement, 'di ba?
Hmm.
Ng
Well, ako
tatlong
kasi,
All-Stars.
I was watching Mac. I mean,
Hmm.
bro, the level of difficulty is so high kay Mac. But I just wanted to see something different. It all came from a catch na naka-stay put. I wanted him to either dribble an alley-oop to himself, probably a one-leg dunk. Alam mo yun, yung magagaling na siya. It was always someone holding. And I think may nickname na nga sila dun eh. Diba? Si Mr. Sturdy ba or something else?
May nickname
Diba?
pala,
With,
di
with
ko
that
alam yun ah.
guy, yeah, they put a nickname already on the guy holding the ball. Pero
Ah,
so, I just wanted something else na makita. Because when we watch Vince Carter and watch guys like, they would mix it up from a guy passing to them just holding it to one hand, minsan one leg dunk. Diba? You saw the creativity. Si Mac just put a harder difficulty, but it's the same style I mean, it's a different kind of creativity. It's a different kind of creativity. I just wanted to see yung mas mas old school style of dunks in a Mac McClung way. Because he put
okay.
his own style. He put his own style. Ako, actually, low-key, I was rooting for Stephon Castle nung
Actually,
finals.
Stefan
Eh, ang
Castle,
ganda nung
para
ano niya,
ano.
dunk eh.
Okay.
Ang ganda nung dunk niya, pare. Ang ganda nung dunk niya. Hindi lang sobrang malinis. I was rooting for Stephon. Kasi mas gusto ko yung dunks. But yung level of difficulty talaga kay Mac, ang hirap tapatan.
Hindi
That's
siya
why
nanalo.
he deserves it. He deserves it. He
Pero
deserves it, but
gets ko yung sinasabi mo na about the creativity. Alam mo yung sa NBA Live, di ba? Parang medyo okay doon, pero yung iba nagtatumbling doon, di ba? Parang pwede mo gawin yun sa NBA Live.
oo.
Di ba? So you wanted more creativity leading up to the dunk. Hindi na yung alam na natin na may nagtataas ng bola and everything. You just want more dun sa on the ground.
Tama. I mean,
Okay,
don't
makes
get me
sense
wrong,
naman.
ah. Don't
Oh.
get me wrong, pare. I love the dunk contest. It's not boring. It's not boring. I mean, compared to yung mga ibang dunk contest, sorry, kay Jeremy Evans, pare, that's
Kay
fucking
Jeremy
boring.
Evans, naalala ko yung
Diba?
Jeremy
Sorry.
Evans.
Diba? I mean, sino ba bang dunk contest yung mga boring? Sa dami eh. Diba? I
Madami,
mean, I
madami.
think kay Anthony Simons, that was boring. That was boring. Pero, this was fun. But I just felt that Mac could still give a little bit more. Meron pang ipipigay. Diba? Kumbaga kung ikaw si KG Canaleta, pwede ka pang magdagdag na pang-apat na tao eh. Diba? Parang meron ka pang mapipiga talaga dun sa
Oh,
dunks niya.
actually,
Pero
oo
still
nga naman.
solid.
Mhm.
It's actually one thing I wanted to ask everybody No?
The dunk contest, kung ano yung...
If you were to choose your top five ever dunk contest guys, who
Ah,
are your top five? Si Javi masaya, si Javi maganda mga input ni Javi dito eh.
ba't maano ba siya sa ano? Maano ba siya sa dunk contest din?
Ikaw bro. Your top five dunk contest.
Players, five
Put,
players.
I mean, dunk contest dunkers lang to ah. Dunk
Yeah,
contest
yeah, yeah,
dunkers.
yeah.
Who's your top five? Sorry bro, nalagay ata
Di,
kita on
alam
the
ko.
spot
Di,
ah.
may alam ako agad.
Oo.
It's more of nirarank ko lang eh. Actually, wag na
Oh,
i-rank. Just five players na lang. So, obviously, Zach, Aaron Gordon, automatically two. Gerald Green,
oh shit. Wala
di
sa top
ba?
five ko yan ah. Wala
Wala
sa
sa
top
top five.
five ko
Baka
yan. Oo.
siya yung mga most recent
Okay.
memory ko. Of course, Maklang. Fourth ko si
Maklong top
Maklang.
five.
Top
Okay.
five. Ito yung mga base memory ko lang. And then, kasi Dwight kasi malaki eh. So, baka Nate Robinson. Iba yung Nate Robinson for me. I really enjoyed Nate. Kasi ang liit eh. He represents us short
Totoo
kings
naman.
eh.
Totoo naman.
'Di ba? So, pag nakita ko si Nate Robinson, shit. Iba talaga yung, 'di ba pag mas maliit,
Iba
kita mo
rin.
yung
Iba rin.
verticality. How they glide. So, for me yun, I think it could change. Siguro pa may maalala akong ibang players. Pero sila yung top of mind ko talaga eh. Na hindi ko makakalimutan. Pwede rin
Ako,
Jason Richardson. Or pwede!
ako pare,
Vince
each
Carter!
year.
Vince Carter.
Vince Carter.
Remove ko si Gerald Green for Vince Carter. Vince Carter. I
Ako
forgot about
every year
Vince Carter.
kasi,
Vince Carter.
every year I watch it. Nirarank ko na sila agad eh.
Ah, may ranking
Nirarank
ka.
ko
Akin
na
wala
sila.
ko.
Nirarank
Oo.
ko. Hindi ko, I can miss the 3-point contest.
Basta
I
wag
can
slam dunk.
miss tawag dito, the skills challenge. I can miss yung kung ano-ano man yun on that day. Pero somehow, kahit alam ko na boring yung mga contestants, hindi ko i-miss yung
Slam
dunk
dunk.
contest.
Kahit
Hindi ko
sino. Basta
i-miss.
gusto.
Kahit
Baka may makita
magrereklamo
kang
ako
bago eh.
after. Kahit magrereklamo ako after. Ano ba yun? Pangit naman nun.
Nanonood
Next
pa rin.
year, papanoorin ko pa rin. Papanoorin ko pa rin. Pero nirarank ko siya each year. Of course, number one, top, GOAT, VC ako.
VC.
VC.
Okay, VC.
VC. I
Nakalimutan
mean,
ko siya,
it's
no? Pero okay na. Nabawi ko naman
pucha
sarili ko
bro, may
bago.
hate ka dyan. May hate ka dito.
Naayos ko
Nico
naman.
Rocha, hindi
Naayos ko
nanonood.
naman. Naayos ko naman. Naayos ko naman. Naayos ko naman. Sabi ko, wait lang, parang may nakalimutan.
VC.
Vince Carter. Oh, VC.
VC
Number one
number
mo.
one. Number two ko, Zach. Two ko, Zach. Three ko, Aaron Gordon. Three, Aaron Gordon. Four
Four.
ko, Jason Richardson ako, bro.
J. Rich. Okay.
Jason Richardson ako at four. And five, well, just from the highlights, I'm gonna go MJ. I'm gonna go
MJ.
MJ.
Okay,
Pero
MJ.
pare,
MJ.
I'm still stuck between MJ and Spud Webb. Pero si Spud Webb, I feel
Iba
na
rin si Spud, no?
medyo same sila ni Mac lang. Tinataas lang yung level of difficulty, but it's almost the same type of dunk. Would you
Actually.
notice? 'Di ba?
Pero
It
mas may flair lang kay Maklang nga dahil lang sa difficulty.
right? It's that kind, it's in the same bubble where it's the same dunk,
Mm.
pero because it's so impressive, you would always give the score. Diba? I'd always give it. It's unlike CCVC, one first dunk ni VC, pucha magwawala ka. Second
Actually.
speechless ka lang pero 50 pa rin, 'di ba? Me solid pa rin, solid pa rin.
Pasok ba
Solid
si
pa rin.
Jordan? Pasok ba si Jordan? I don't know, baka sa sobrang ano mo yung desensitize tayo sa dami ng magagandang dunks.
Magaling. Bro, ako mga low-key ko dyan, Desmond Mason.
Oh shit,
'Di
Desmond
ba?
Mason
Pare,
din!
Desmond
Oo nga pala.
Mason, that left-hand dunk. Oh shit.
Sino yung
Pare,
parang, hindi, Vince Carter nagdi-dip, yung parang honey dip.
oh.
VC yun eh.
I mean, in recent memory, Derrick Jones Jr., hindi lang naglagay talaga
Ang
ng
tagal na, no?
sobrang,
Tagal na
wala kasing
DJJ.
character eh. DJJ was really a great slam dunk contest dunker. For some reason, wala lang character yung dunks eh.
Wala nang karakter.
Wala lang character, pero creative yun, bro. Creative yung dunks niya. Sino pa ba?
Pero great
Dwight will
in-game
always
dunker
be
din, si
there.
DJJ. Great in-game dunker.
Tama,
I've seen him
great
with
in-game
Dallas, diba?
dunker din.
Nakita natin sa Dallas yun.
Sino ba
Before,
bang
no, sa
dunk
Dallas.
contest? Mga low-key. I mean, I gotta say, one of the worst slam dunk champions was Kobe. Kobe fan ako, pero pare, that was so simple.
I
So I
think
wouldn't
yung
put him in
flair niya
top
kasi,
10.
di ba parang, oh, yung aura ni Kobe, parang, oh,
Oh,
panalo
tama
to.
naman. And he's a rookie.
Kaya siya nanalo.
Sino ba? Dominic. Dominic should always be there.
Ano ba yung kay
Dominic, yung
Domin?
power ni
Pao.
Dominic, bro, kahit na over the back lang, he would always feel the dunk.
Wow!
Sino ba? Sino bang iniisip on top of my mind? Hindi ko maalala kasi if Sean Kemp ever did something crazy for the dunk contest.
Yung memory natin kay Sean Kemp, yung kay Alton Lister, di ba?
Wala na. Tama, tama, tama. Coach Alton.
Coach Alton, hello.
Shout out Coach Alton. No.
Nakita ko sa NLEX, hindi assistant coach siya sa NLEX, ha? Hindi siya kung
NLEX ba
big
siya?
man coach. Oo, nakita ko
He's
siya.
been left and right. Ateneo, Meralco,
NLEX din,
Talk
nandun siya
Intex.
recently.
Ikot-ikot para si Coach Alton.
Ito ba, MVP group of team siguro. Pero nakita siya sa bench ng NLEX eh. So, okay.
Pero yun, I mean ako guys, if you have your own personal top 5, baka meron kaming
Lista nyo,
na-miss.
lista nyo.
Ayoko mapahiya eh. But yun, personal, hindi magbabago yung akin. I'm going with VC, Zach, Aaron
Aaron.
Gordon, Jason Richardson. Number 5 ko
MJ.
pa rin si MJ. If there's someone who we missed, hmm, put in the comment section kung
Actually,
meron
lagyan
man
natin sa
kaming
pinned com,
na-miss.
ano, who is your, who are your top 5 players that competed in the dunk contest?
Alright. Ito bro, pag-usapan din natin. I mean, I'm still
Hmm.
in the, what do you think about CP3 and Wemby?
I think they were just,
Bullshitting.
I think,
Bullshitting
I think legit,
the
kala nila
skills contest.
si CP3 kasi always nag-isip ng advantage, di ba? So, feel ko legit, hindi niya, he just doesn't want to get the event over with. I legit feel like, iniisip niya, shit, ito yung
Oo,
loophole.
oh, tama, tama, tama.
Yun
Hack
lang
eh.
yun.
Hack siya eh.
Hack. Iniisip
Hack
niya sa
siya eh.
hack. Hindi
Di
yung
ba?
tipong bababuyin ko tong contest na to. Hindi
Hindi,
ganon,
hindi,
never.
hindi, hindi.
Some people are saying that, but it's more of CP3 is just trying to game the system because that's how much he wants to win. Na
And we're
nag-iisip,
100% sure. We're 100% sure. Walang kinalaman si Wemby doon. It was
wala.
not
Nainis nga
Wemby's
siya.
idea.
Di ba gumano, nung binigay sa kanila yung rules, sabi niya, no, disqualified sila. Then CP3 is like, that's okay. Si Wemby may pake. Parang, oh.
Even yung mga broadcasters, sinasabi, this has CP3 fingerprints all over it. Di ba? You would know. You would know. Di ba?
Si
Pero
Wemby to,
I would have booed.
second
I
year.
would have booed as well. Di ba nag-boo yung fans? Tapos si
Nung,
Donovan Mitchell, nakikibu na rin si
nakaganon siya eh.
Donovan.
Nagtapat sa kanya yung camera eh. Nakaganon si Donovan Mitchell eh. Tapos in-interview pa siya, di ba? Ni Ali LaForce na, oh, what do you
Hmm.
think about? I don't know, man. Looks like cheating to me. Pero for me, ano naman, it's more of, CP3 just wanna win. Pero medyo bobo move lang on their end.
I mean, he would do it. You would see him do it in a game. Kasi hindi ka na magugulat na susubukan din niya to. Susubukan din niya to in an all-star setup where mas may freedom ka gawin yung mga kalokohan mo.
Pero he didn't
So,
think na i-disqualify sila. Hindi niya naisip siguro na
kung
gano'n-gano'n.
kung pumasok yung oras, would they have went the next round? Uy, would they
Kung
have went the
pumasok
next
yun.
round?
Hindi natin kasi alam eh. Kasi iba yung, di ba yung oras nila parang sobrang bilis, 48 seconds,
Oh,
47
44?
seconds.
Oh.
So fast. Usually teams are at, ano yung quickest? 1 minute, di ba? 1 minute 1? Nung ano na yun. Pero, ano bang assuming? Kasi CP3 isn't that quick anymore. Parang mga 110, 115 siguro sila. And depende pa yun. Again, di natin alam eh. Yung mga shots nila, di ba? Kung pumasok ba sa first try. So, siguro they would have made it. I felt like they would have made it at least to the next round. Pero I didn't think they would win. Bilis ng Cavs din,
Interesting. I
no?
mean,
Eh,
ano lang,
Cavs yung
ano
panalo,
lang,
di ba?
interesting lang. Hindi, Magic, di ba? Ay,
Ah,
Cavs, Cavs, sorry, sorry.
Cavs
Cavs,
nga.
Cavs, tama.
Donovan and
Sorry.
Evan.
Donovan and Evan Mobley. Hirap naman tapatan nun. Hirap naman tapatan nun. Pero I mean, I think that's something they should adjust for next year. Feeling ko ako, I'm not that impressed with what the skills. I like the old skills challenge, yung OG, the
Yeah,
OG skills
I like
challenge,
the OG
pare.
skills
That is
challenge.
that's still my favorite skills challenge. Sinubukan nila yung big, yung small. Ngayon may ano
Last
na,
year, di
may
ba?
kasama na.
Big and
I
small.
think I still want the old skills challenge. Parang yung pa rin yung pinakamasaya for me.
OG sa tayo. Gusto ko rin yung luma eh. Lalo
Wala.
na yung, always like the old school one. Pero yeah, we're gonna get there. Especially sa All-Star game. It was a good try, yung format, but may ano pa tayo. 3 point, pag-discuss ba natin 3 points? Same lang naman yung
Hindi
3 points
na.
eh.
Congrats na lang.
Same
Congrats
lang yung
Tyler
congrats
Hero.
na lang kay Tyler Hero.
Congrats Tyler Hero. Yun lang din naman. Wala na ibang nangyayari
Wala
dun eh.
naman iba. Nilagay lang sila na parang starry. Tagal na rin yun. Yung starry wall.
Mm.
Yun lang naman eh. They didn't change much. It's just more of yung mga money rack nila sa nila. Di ba sila nagsasabi na corner, or wing.
Wala. I mean, nothing special. Congrats Tyler
Yeah.
Hero. I would have actually put my money on
Darius
Wait,
Garland ako
tama
nun.
ako. I actually put my money on Tyler Hero.
Tyler Hero
Actually
Ganda
put
na,
my
ako
money
for
on
me
Tyler
Garland eh.
Hero.
Ganda ng pitik ni Garland eh.
You would get the players na pang 3-point shootout eh. 'Di ba yung kaya nilang off a getting it off a rack.
Parang
Ganon
yun
type of ano.
si
Meron
Cam,
kasi
si Cam
mga
Johnson na naiilang no.
kasi
Kasi
he likes it off a catch.
yung
Dati
sa
before,
shooting
yung
pocket.
lahat ng Phoenix players hindi sila comfortable of ano eh because
At
they were used to getting the pass from Steve Nash. So sila I think si
Raja
Barbosa,
Bell? Sino Raja
ah,
Bell ba yun?
I think I'm not sure kung si Raja Bell basta lahat ng mga 3-point shooters coming off Phoenix, they were not comfortable getting off a rack. Kasi sanay sila, the drive si Steve Nash, malalagay sa kamay ko yun, babanat ako ng tres. So,
Iba nga.
si Tyler pang 3-point shootout talaga. So, congrats Tyler. We don't really want to talk about. What we want to talk about is the new All-Star
Ito
format.
na.
The new All-Star format. Unahin na kita. Ano tingin mo sa bago All-Star format?
At first, it was interesting eh. At first, before all the games played, sabi ko kayo, mga magta-try mga teams kasi up to 40 lang,
Di ba?
mabilisan.
Lahat kanina. Aminin mo, lahat. Okay to ah. Okay to ah.
Okay tayo lahat,
Di ba?
maririnig
Okay
mo.
to ah. Kasi may competitive nature eh. It's better than the regular All-Star.
And it's
It's
new
better than
eh.
the
So
regular
parang
All-Star.
iniisip mo. And naalala mo 'di ba when they implemented something yun, like yung Kobe, yung race to 200, yun yung may plus 20, may plus 24 or
Oo,
something.
yun.
I forgot. Basta that they were hella competitive during that one. So iniisip ko, shit, new format baka maging competitive sila just like that year or the All-Star year after Kobe died, no? Pero and from the get-go, nakita mo na, pucha, parang wala pa rin silang gana you can
Wala.
see like one, two players who care. One of them is Wemby, who's actually really
Yeah,
trying.
actually.
Pero after that, parang wala na yung race to fortune. So it's so quick, di ba? Ang bilis.
Mm.
Mas matagal pa yung mga nangyayari in between.
Mas
Like yung
matagal pang
Mr.
nagsalita
Beast,
si
yung
Kevin
Kevin Hart.
Hart.
Tagal ni
Mas
Kevin
matagal pa
Hart.
nagsalita si Kevin Hart. Ang ingay ni Kevin Hart. Hindi ako proud na ka-smally ni Kevin Hart.
Parang siyang comedy show in between an all-star game or sometimes an all-star game na nakasandwich sa comedy set niya. Parang ganoon yung vibe. Weird. Kasi ang tagal ng ano eh.
Oh, yeah. Tagal ng
So,
vibe
from
niya. And we were expecting a really good final series. Kasi those were the two teams that you would want to compete in the
OGs
finals eh.
versus
Diba? Yung OGs
sina
where you have
Wemby.
Tatum, you have Steph,
Steph.
Kyrie, Durant, Harden. So talaga mga OG. Top of your head. Tapos compare mo sa others na ito na yung incoming superstars in Jokic, Wemby,
SGA.
Kai,
In a
SG,
way,
diba
ano rin,
si...
the international team, in a way din.
So, ang ganda, ang ganda. Ako, kausap ko yung si Hoop Junkie ba yung kakwentuhan ko? Hindi si Hoop Junkie.
O si
Nandun
Carlo.
pa ako sa
Si
kabilang
Carlo.
table.
Sa kabilang
O si,
table ka pa ron.
sa kabilang table. Uh, sasabi ko, hindi, bro. Ano to? Wala to. Matanda na yan sila, Steph. Ano yan? Mangangain si ano. Sabi ko, Jokic at the 4, Wemby at the 5. Kalokohan yan, bro. Kalokohan yan. Hindi kakayanin yan. Putya pa. Restart pa lang. Parang ayaw maglaro nila, ano. Nila Jokic. Actually, may kita mo si Wemby yung frustrated eh.
Siya yung naiinis.
Na he wanted more. 'Di ba? Ito si Trae Young, pare, dribble ng dribble. 'Di ba? Si Trae Young, dribble ng dribble.
Dribble nga lang. Tapos, meron siya mga tres na tira lang tira. Naiinis si Wemby. Parang
No,
wala
kasi
rin sa flow.
Wemby first All-Star niya. You really wanna show out on your first All-Star.
Mm.
'Di ba? But you're put into a batch where wala na tong mga to paki. Gusto na lang nilang bumalik sa regular season eh.
Para ano na,
Kaya ganun
rampa
yung
na.
vibe nila eh. 'Di ba? At least Kyrie and Steph showed up. They put on a show.
Oh yeah,
Solid
definitely.
yung
Kyrie and
Kyrie.
Steph.
Solid yung Kyrie, Steph. Uh, Gusto ko si Carlo. Shoutout kay Carlo, Pamintuan. Gusto ko yung ano, tuwing hawak ni Trey yung bola. Trey, no one cares! Trey, no one cares!
Ayaw rin niya pala kay Trey eh. No?
Actually, dami haters ni Trey, no? Ako,
Bakit?
fan
Ako
ako ni
gusto, I
Trey.
like Trey. I'm a fan.
Fan
Especially
ako
pag
ni Trey
inaano
eh.
niya yung
Fan ako ni
New
Trey.
York crowd. Gusto ko yung ganyang player. Old school na. Iba ganyan mga old school
Yeah, Trey,
talagang
Trey is the
kinakantsaw.
type of Trey is, a, Trey is the type of player na love him or hate him lang eh. Bihira ang middle ground kay Trey eh. Either
Actually.
maiirita ka dun sa ano niya or gusto mo yung style niya. Na
Buti we're both
ano.
fans. I'm a fan of Trey
Oo.
Young.
Oo. Feeling ko some of our shoot first ano, are not
Not
Trey
fans of Trey
fans.
Young. Especially kung mga
Not
New York
fans.
fans yan. Of course, ayaw nila kay Trey.
Matang New York fan sa atin eh.
Meron, magugulat ka, may mga Filipino New York fans talaga.
I mean, sa ating
Meron
anim,
din.
wala ata.
Ah,
Wala
sa
ata.
ating anim.
Wala.
Ano ba si
Ikaw
Javi?
ba? Ano ka ba, bro? Ano ka ba? Ano bang team mo? Ako nga
Warriors
pala, ikaw
talaga.
yung sumagot ng Warriors ano kanina. Ikaw nga pala
Warriors.
yung sumagot ng Warriors
Oh, ever
na
since nang We Believe, I can really trace na ano talaga. Pero at yung buong family ko, sa
nostalgia.
side ng mom ko, taga San Francisco. So, wala, yung 49ers culture at yung Warriors, puro Warriors 49ers, sila sports family yung side ng mom ko eh. So, edi, doon pa lang, di na talaga natanggal sa sistema ko.
Kaya pala ikaw sumagot kanina di ba? Ng Warriors today. Ano yung trivia sa'yo about the Warriors? Nanalo ka ng shirt
Parang,
ba?
oh, dalawang shirt yun eh. Dalawang shirt na nanalo ko ng, ano yun yung parang ganito din, yung flask ng NBA
May
flask.
flask
Meron silang flask NBA
kanina.
na flask. Oh, meron
Kanina
kanina.
panalunan kong t-shirt, pare, large.
Large.
Pinamigay ko
Actually,
lang dun sa ano,
pinami...
pinamigay ko, hiningi nung player ko sa Signal.
Ito, saya
Sabi niya,
kain.
TM, hindi kasya sa'yo yan, large. Akin na
Medium ka
yan.
ba? Medium.
Medium ako. Medium
Maluwag pa
ako.
siya. Sinuot ko siya large. Kala ko kasi large ako. Tapos nung sinuot ko, sabi ko, ay, pang workout ko na lang to. Di ko to masusuot na, ano, pa gimmick or something. Pero
But at
anyway,
the end,
yeah.
anyway, did you like the format? Yes or no?
Well, hindi. The format's
Yun, this
interesting,
year's
pero
this year's format.
people just have to try. I just need competitiveness. I think the format would have changed like, perception ng tao kung nag-try lang yung mga to. Kung
Yes.
nagpakita lang sila ng
Yes.
interest na.
Yes. Yes. I like the format. I like the format because when me and Mikey plays or me and my brother plays, ang gusto namin is we don't go over 25 points because the shorter your game is, the
Sa
more
ano,
you're
oh.
inclined na, I have to stop the opponent in scoring. So akala ko, sabi ko, bro, 1 to 40 lang to. Didepende sa tong mga to, which I think that was the mindset of the organizers na, di, maiksi lang yung ano nitong mga to eh. Kailangan dumipensa nito, which you could actually see dun sa mga sa mga rising stars. Pare, dumidepensa yung mga
Oh,
yon.
lumalaban si na Kinect, 'di
'Di
ba?
ba? Stephon Castle, si Dalton Kinect, sino to? Si Travis Kelce. Sorry, Travis
Ay,
Kelce tuloy.
Travis.
Pucha, ano ba? Nawala na ako sa ano. Sino to?
Travis
Si
Kelce.
Trace Jackson Davis.
Oh, si
Sabi ko,
Trace
saan
Jackson.
nanggaling si Travis
Travis
Kelce,
Kelce.
pucha?
Kala ko may hirit kayo. Sabi ko, ano yung joke dito? Wala
Nanggaling?
kayo.
Hindi ko, nawala yung,
Inisip ko si Valanciunas. Wala naman siya dun.
na lost yung utak ko. Di ba si Trace? But lumalaban sila.
I
So,
think, Juanito, Loki, yun yung most interesting matchup. Yung
yun.
OGs versus yung Rising Stars. Di ba
Pinakaba kung
35-39?
hindi
Kaba yun
kung
eh.
hindi nag kung hindi nag-init si Dame
They
at
could have
some point.
lost.
Nanalo yung si Stephon Castle was serious. Si Dalton
Seryoso.
Knecht was hitting shots. Sino bang Thompson din? Nagugulan ako kung
May
walang
Thompson ba?
hindi ba
Hindi,
Thompson yun
parang
yung
sila
isa?
Jalen Wells. Nandun sila Jalen Wells.
Yeah, but that was a really good game kanina, 'di ba?
Oo.
Yun yung
Yun
yun,
yung na-enjoy
actually
ko
doon
pa
ako
sa
dumating
lahat.
eh. Doon ako dumating.
Dumating.
Hindi ako late ako doon sa first game eh. So nagtanong na lang ako ano nanalo doon sa first game. So interesting yun. So you would see the potential of the potential of the concept nandun. Pero yun nga eh, walang try eh.
Walang
Walang
nagtatry.
try. Walang try. Yun yung
So,
nakaka-frustrate.
naisip ko nga Juanits eh. Para even if they do, marami nagka-clamor for USA versus the world. But again, if they do not try, wala lang
Wala
yan.
rin. Wala rin. I mean, it's a battle of pride. It's a battle of pride. Bro,
Hopefully
let me
that's
share.
enough.
Let me
Oh,
share. I
go.
play in basketball games na closed door yan. Puro PBA player.
Oh,
PBA
shit. Okay.
UAP. Ako parang mascot nga lang ako doon eh. Mascot na lang ako doon.
Tagapasa ka lang. Extra.
Pare, tawag ko sarili ko doon, Draymond Green, 5'3" ako. Ako'y taga-screen, ako'y taga-box out. Syempre, di ba? I mean, to name a few na nakalaro ko before, si Juan, Richie, Diego,
PBA
Aaron
players
Black.
talaga.
These are closed doors pickup games. Bro, the competitive nature is so high
Ano
na
talaga? Hindi
talagang
sila yung
talagang
chill-chill lang.
magkakatrash-tukan. Walang chill. Walang chill. Na pag merong PBA player na pumunta doon at chill, gusto lang yung kumbaga walang competitive nature, they don't invite these players again.
Kasi parang
Oo,
wala
kasi
dun
they,
sa
they,
ano.
they, they look for the competition. So, sabi ko, I wanted to see that kind of competition in the NBA level because kaya ka nga magbabayad ng All-Star eh. These are the best players in the world and you want to see them compete to know who is the best player in the world. Pretty much how we saw 2001, 'di ba? Sila Kobe, sila Stephon, sila Tim Duncan, Jason Kidd, that was competition.
I remember
Diba?
nga
If
na
you will,
broken nose pa nga si Kobe just because of Dwayne Wade, diba? Sabi ko, yung mga gusto,
yeah,
naalala mo yun?
yun ang yung gusto
Yung mga na,
natin. Diba? Yun yung gusto natin competition. So kanina, parang nabitin din ako. But I like the concept of a pickup basketball game na it would the shortened periods would make them compete. Pero feeling ko naman kung hindi nag-init si Steph at si Kyrie at medyo lumapit, Jokic and Shai would have put in a little more effort. Nung natamba ka na, they just lost hope eh.
oh, nung naging 12,
Diba?
it
Hindi
was
ka
11-0
pumihit.
at one point, diba? 11-0 yun eh.
I'm not sure of the score, but at one point, nung tinanggap nila, wala nang help side. They were
Ah.
giving up on turnovers. Parang na tinanggap nila na shit. Kapag kalaban mo nga naman si Steph at nauna siya, on a game on 1-40, wala na. Acceptance ka na lang dun. Diba? And Steph was wilding.
Yung
He
half
hit
court,
three or
diba?
four. Three or
Yung half
four.
court.
Hindi, yun na yung ano eh.
Yung
Doon na
pampa
yung,
cherry on top.
oo. Hindi, yun na yung parang doon na nag-give up eh. Kasi kumakatok-katok pa eh. Si Wemby, si Trey. Si Trey dami binibigay kay Wemby. I think Wemby scored like four straight. Tapos si Shea nakashoot ng tres. But when Steph made that three, wala na. Ayawan na yun. Thank you na
Yeah.
yun.
So, naalala ko nga, oo nga. So yeah, interesting concept. I like the idea initially, pero yun nga, you just didn't try as much. Pero nice to see na yung anak ng San Francisco, Steph Curry, really tried. Siyempre, puro na show, di ba? You don't wanna disappoint the fans. And yeah, kaya sila yung deserving champions. Dapat lang naman. Pero,
I think
ayun.
the next question is, do you think this concept would work in a PBA setting?
Ooh. Di try eh. Sometimes the PBA tries more,
Yeah,
ah.
exactly.
They try
Exactly.
more.
Now. Ano na to? This is a PBA setup where medyo mas may pride na tong mga to.
May
'Di ba?
pride mga
I mean, ganda at makita nun, pare. You put them
240
half
lang, no?
1-40 lang. Actually, iksian mo pa nga eh. To make it more competitive.
25.
Make it
Yung
1 to
25.
30,
Yung
1 to
makapapawis na
35.
25 eh.
Diba?
25 yung
Papawis
mapapawis ko rin
levels
eh.
talaga na ganong concept lang. Make them play defense. What do you think will happen if you use this in a PBA setup? And I've asked people kanina, mixed ang answers. Hindi
Sa
kagana yan, tamad
PBA.
mga player. Yung iba naman, ang sagot dun sa, ang sabihin nila is, pwede yan kasi mapapride yung mga PBA player na yan. So ikaw bro, what do you think? Tingin mo, kagana yan ang PBA setup?
Oh, feel ko gaganas. Pero dapat, yun nga, 25 to 30, even lower, para mas malapit talaga. Especially mga pros to, di ba? They can score just like that. So, knowing na yun, ganun yung capability sila lahat, iba yung depensa mo eh. At alam mo namang 25-30 lang naman, you can go all out. Kasi after ito, wala na eh. At ilan naman kayo sa team. Sabi natin 7, tig 7 kayo or
Ah.
6. 'Di ba? So, feel ko gagana talaga sa PBA. I've seen them play in the all-star level. And seryoso talaga. They put a show for the fans. At the same time, they put a show tapos what fans like to watch, yung depensa. At least more than the NBA. Ah. At least more than that we were accustomed to sa NBA.
I mean, give me 10 players that you know would compete in that kind of a setup in the PBA.
Bolik. One is Bolik.
Bolik,
Bol
right. Poli.
Bolik.
Poli. Kung pang
Yeah.
all-star level pa rin si
Pang
Poli,
all-star, Poli.
he would surely compete in that kind of a setup. Si Scotty.
Oftana.
Scotty, magko-compete yan. Oftana. Sige, Oftana. Calvin, given a chance.
Actually, Abueva, no? Kung nag-all-star siya ulit.
Abueva. Ano yan, pare? Compete yan. Di yung papatalo yan sa ganyang setup. I
Oh,
doubt Junmar. Si Junmar, yan yung
di
chance
na,
niya
di na.
Si Junmar, yan yung chance niya magpahinga eh.
CJ din. Actually, CJ would have been a perfect. Pero di ko sure kung papahinga siya. CJ Perez.
CJ Perez, hindi ako masyadong
Yeah,
sold.
actually, ako bro,
Hindi ako masyadong sold. Yung
Arvin Tolentino and
Arvin,
Save Lucero.
Arvin.
Lucero.
Sure yan ako kay Arvin. Sure yan ako. Sino ba? Mm,
Joshua Munzon, you think? Munzon?
hindi ako masyadong sold eh.
Hindi ka masyadong sold kay Munzon.
Hindi ako masyadong sold. Tanong mo si Baileys. Hater yun eh.
May sasabihin sa'yo off the record din mamaya. Kasi sino rin hater kayo.
Feeling ko Chris Newsom.
Ah, Nunu.
Chris Newsom would compete. Kasi I've played with Chris in a pickup game
Competitive
where
talaga.
pagdating ko dun, si Keith, si Chris, si Von Pesumal, pare, lumalabas yung pagiging Ateneo champions nila.
Talagang,
May
ano
champion ba
sa,
sila? Sorry, yung pagiging Ateneo
no,
peak nila.
why, well, Newsom was never a champion with Ateneo, pero thankfully,
Ah.
buti nag-champion siya sa Meralco. Pero syempre, competitiveness na sina Kiefer, mga ano niya siya. Gusto niya
Hindi,
pakita
wild,
na,
wild. Pare, ang tawag nila dun before was the Black Ops.
alam ko
Na-invite
yun,
lang ako ni Diego
nakwento
Dario.
ni Jed Austria. He told me about it, yung Black Ops.
Yan, pag
Nilalagay
ano,
sa close friend story niya eh.
pag pasok ko pare, sabi lang Diego, papawis tayo, Wanits.
Ganun ba
Sige.
yung tone niya? Para lang, papawis tayo manits. Hindi yung
Papawis
parang
tayo,
manits,
Wanits.
ano
Sige,
ah.
sige, sama ako, wala akong gagawin. Pagpasok mo, Asisio, Newsam, Ravenna, Pesumal. Sabi ko, Jegs naman, pag sinabi mong papawis, yung papawis lang, hindi papawis to eh. Hindi
Nakailang
papawis yung
balik ka
mga
doon?
ganito.
Nakailang balik ka doon? Bumalik ka?
Sa,
Sa
sa Black
Black
Ops,
Ops?
siguro nakadalawa ka,
Pre-pandemic yun, di ba?
nakadalawa ako.
Pre-pandemic yun, di ba?
Pre-pandemic yun, pre-pandemic yun. Pre-pandemic. Solid runs yun. Kasi itong mga to, kahit na mga high level na itong mga to, pag nagsama-sama sa runs yun, compete yan, pare. Si Keith. Si Keith, I mean, ay wala siya sa PBA, but when he gets into that type of a game, compete yun, bro. Compete yan si Keith.
Especially na nakikita niya, oy,
Hmm.
na ano ako ah. Sige, di ba?
Wala. So I do think, personally, put it in a basketball, ay, in a PBA setup,
Kaya.
I feel nagagana. I
I
feel
think
nagagana.
we can find 16 players, 8, up to 18 players na who will be down and who could give us a good show. Who actually care. Meron yan.
So shout out kay Kume. Kume, ano natin, tuloy na natin 'yan. Alongside yung ano ko, yung pinopropose ko na 8 feet dunk competition between Anjo Karam, Diego Dario,
Sino pa ba?
RK Ilagan. Hindi na natuloy yun eh.
Kailag.
I would pay to watch that. I'd pay to
8
watch
foot
that.
rim, no?
8
Actually.
foot rim.
Pwede.
Solid yun. Solid yun.
May
Sama ko pa
entertain pa rin ako. Hindi mo na mahalata pa siya doon sa TV. Yeah!
tapos yung judges mo, Juanito Gregorio, di ba? Woo! It's a 10!
It's a telate. It's a 10. Ay, ano ko yung kotse lalabas sila doon na 4 8 feet. Go-kart.
Pucha, kung si Mac Maclong Kia, no?
Saan niya
Ano?
iya?
Oh my God, it's a little tykes. It's a little tykes.
That's gotta be a hard jump to pull off. Gagano'n pa tayo.
Hindi
Commentator
10
sa
tykes,
likod.
pucha, nilalakad mo pang ganun, no?
But yeah,
Ay, nako,
ayun.
puro kalokohan na tayo, pare. Okay na siguro to. Short eps lang. Short eps lang. Sorry,
Yeah,
ano
yun
lang,
lang naman.
actually ito, ano lang to, dami lang namin gustong ako nangati
O,
lang
di
ako
na
for,
naman ma-discuss. Hindi naman ma-discuss kanina eh. Kasi si
ako,
Hoop Junkie was between us eh. Kaya parang,
oh,
gagansan ko
baka
mo.
lang, di ba? Hindi, tsaka marami rin naman people. Ako wala pa nga,
Hmm.
my voice is still not 100%. Pero minsan, parang mangangati ka na, shit, gusto ko lang makipagkwentuhan ng basketball. Di ba? Lalo na pag 9 days ka
Yeah, yeah, I bet na talagang immersed
na
ka na
full
puro
volleyball lang
volleyball.
lahat. Usually kasi my life is, usually what I do is that volleyball is at afternoon going to the night. Or morning lang. Morning lang. But during the day, I'd watch the NBA, I'd watch PBA. So, ano yun eh, left and right eh, balance yun eh, right balance. Because at the end of the day, your passion is still watching basketball. Pero yung last 10 days na yun, pare, wild. It's all volleyball the whole day long. Whole day long. But it's a training camp. It's a very successful training camp for us in Japan.
Three-peat
So,
kayo, diba? You're defending your three-peat. You're
back to back kami
defending...
ngayon. Back
Back,
to back.
okay, so
So
you're
we're,
going
we're
for a
running we're
three-peat.
running for a three-peat. We're gunning for a
Okay.
three-peat.
Kaya
So,
pala ganun.
yun lang
Bakbakan
naman.
training camp.
Any shoutouts, bro?
Wala namang shoutout. I mean, ay hindi, meron ako isang nagpapa-shoutout dito sa Shoot First. May nag-message sa akin.
Yeah, go. Ako. I'll shoutout ko naman, syempre, yung ating mga, ano dyan, mga ating
Go.
co-shoot first. Mikes, Javi, miss ko na kayo. Bales,
Bales,
Di
Gio.
ba? Miss you guys. Si Owen Suarez, shoutout Owen Suarez. Big fan natin yan. Sabi niya, sana nanonood siya because loyal siya pag PBA yung topic, pero pag NBA daw narinig niya, minsan daw hindi niya binubuksan kasi ano siya, biggest local fan siya eh. Pero sana mapanood mo to at shoutout sa'yo. At kung magpi-PBA kami, shoutout ulit kita. Alright. I think we need a new Gilas episode when it officially starts.
Yeah,
No?
actually. Napanood mo ba yung
Shoutout mo muna.
Ay,
Shoutout mo muna yung ano.
shoutout Churchill Cabanyog, Christian Gakutan, and si Rian Destura. Mga nagpapa-shoutout before, di ko na shoutout kasi ang tagal na sa episode natin.
Shoutout guys. And hopefully maparami na ulit natin. Ako na mas iniinganyo ako recently to shoot better shorter episodes
Actually,
na
mas
ganito.
nakagana na ganito lang.
'Di ba?
Quick.
It doesn't really take much of our time. Talagang
Medyo
tanggal kati
dumaldal na
lang.
nga tayo eh. Medyo
Tanggal
dumaldal
kati
na nga
lang.
tayong dalawa eh. Medyo dumaldal na
Exactly.
nga tayong dalawa.
Wala pa si Habi nito, wala pa sila Mikey nito. No, so actually when the gila starts, we'll talk about it as well. Medyo frustrated kami ngayon sa mga friendly matches dahil malalaki ang lamang. So sabi namin ni Nico, wag na muna natin pag-usapan. But when it officially starts against Taiwan and against New Zealand, tama ba?
Taiwan and New Zealand, yes.
All right, well, officially we'll also talk about that.
Yung kailangan
So,
yun, bro. Official yun, official window yun.
all right, so Laban Pilipinas. That's the last. Let's go Gilas.
See you guys next time. Peace.